Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Kimberly in Last War. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a few different ways how to do this. So in your first buyback, you'll be able to get Kimberly. So now this is one of the quickest ways to get Kimberly is through that initial buyback. For roughly $1, you can unlock Kimberly immediately at UR rarity, along with bonus items like diamonds, recruitment tickets, avatar, VIP points, and hero experience. Many players consider this one-time purchase very worthwhile. Now the other way is the free route. So what we can do is hero recruitment tickets. So you are heroes like Kimberly can eventually be obtained through the hero recruitment tavern system. These tickets drop from gameplay activities, trucks, arms race DLC events, etc. It can take time, but players have reported success after accumulating enough tickets. Also, check out the legendary hero choice chests. These chests allow you to select a specific hero shard rather than receiving one at random. Kimberly is a solid pick if you don't have her already. And also another way is battle pass and seasonal events. So Kimberly and her exclusive weapon were featured in early game events. So week 1 season 1 included a Kimberly's exclusive weapon battle pass where you can earn her shards and weapon shards, and at the end of season 1 the black market event also offered her weapon shards. So keep an eye out for seasonal events during gameplay.